very, very rare Audi A4 estate. It's the 2-litre TDI Quattro S-Line with full specification. Might look black, but it's actually beautiful blue. It's got the lovely motor alloy wheels, got front park distance control, nice little Quattro badge there, so it's 4-wheel drive, S-Line badge there. Got rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, boot area is in lovely condition, got an electric rear tailgate that works absolutely spot on. The paintwork is absolutely gleaming, it looks incredible. Wheels absolutely unmarked. Twin exhaust as well. I'd say the full S-Line exterior package with their lower diffuser and the side skirts. Lovely well presented half leather cloth interior with the white stitch piping, electric mirrors, electric windows standard, seats have hardly anywhere on them, S-Line embossed. Step inside the car, got an S-Line flat bottom steering wheel, automatic headlights, cruise control, satellite navigation, multimedia system, centre armrest. I'll just flick through the menu on there, full menu for the entertainment, navigation, car info, Quattro embossed on the dashboard. Absolutely stunning. Exchange with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call 0750